Okay, so this video is for Ezcap. This is a VHS Digi. This is what you're going to use to convert your VHS and video camera stuff to digital videos. And so it comes with everything you need. It's got a little adapter here. It's got also an AV in, which is on the back of this. VCRs, your regular RCA jacks, your audio, and then your audio left and right, and then your video plug-in. So you're just going to put your VHS in there. You're going to plug this in the side. It's got some other ports in here. There's one for headphones. You got a USB-C right here. You've got an HDMI cable, so then you can connect that to a TV if you need a bigger screen. You got your mini memory card drive right here. You got a USB port as well as a volume button. So let me show you here. This is the main screen right here. So you've got video on here. So let's go to TV in. So we're going to select that over. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to go to our VCR and hit play. And it's going to start playing whatever is in there. And right now I've got this like lion video playing right now. And so whenever we're ready and we want to start recording, I'll turn the volume all the way down. It starts playing. We're just going to hit the record button. So it tells you what's on the back here. This top button, you're just going to hit record. Okay, it starts recording, and then you just record as long as you want. So it's recording this little video. I can record as long as I want. It tells me right down here 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds that I've been recording. Also, you have to have a memory card in here or attached to like a hard drive or something, because then it'll also tell you you can record for so much. You know, you have so many minutes or hours left to record on there. So it's recording, and then I'm like, okay, that's it. That's all I want. You hit record button again, and it saves the file. And so that is all done. We can hit the stop button. It's going to keep playing. Okay, so you can hit the stop button on your VCR. Then we can go hit the escape button, come back to here, and then you can check it, go back here to videos, hit OK, and then you can play that clip, and there it is. So I've already been testing this. This might not be the exact one, but I was recording. So you see, I can even unplug this. So this is a viewer screen. So very cool thing. You can hit the escape button. It comes back, shows you all your videos that you've been recording. That's saved on whatever you have plugged in. You can go to music. You can record that. You can go to pictures, TV in, recorder, and then you can go to your settings as well. But very handy and small little device to be able to convert all your VHS to a digital form. And here's the memory card. You can just pop that out and put that right in your computer, or you can connect this right to your computer as well. So very handy and a great product. If you're looking to convert all your VHS to digital form, this is the one for you. Highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.